Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Husky. Hope you guys like the new intro and logo. I kind of just made it to make it. Want something different. It looks a little cleaner. And also got these kind of bullshit, annoying animations. I'm probably not going to use those, but just thought I'd make them. Anyway, I'm going to be making a Trevor Lawrence themed AVI. Just because, I got high hopes for him next season, so thought I'd make an AVI. So I have two pictures here I chose. This isn't really going to be a tutorial, just showing how I do it without explaining each step. So we're going to go ahead and use this one first. I chose these two that I can mess with. I do like this picture more, but I think for the AVI I'm doing, this will work better. So first thing I'm going to do, it's already in the background. I already placed it there, so I'm going to duplicate it. And I'm going to drag it above my PNG overlay. And we're going to right click and rasterize it so we can edit it. And I want to get a cutout of him. So what I'm going to do, go to the quick selection tool. Let's go ahead and see how clean we can select all this. So body should be easy since the colors are pretty unique. Legs should be easy too. There's a lot of contrast between them in the background. Let's get a little bit more right there. Let's go ahead and get some more of this leg. Let's make sure to get the ball and his hair. We can't forget the hair. Fuck, did I just mess up? No, I didn't. Okay, everything looks like it's selected. I'm gonna right click, verify a copy. And there we go, that's why I want to do that. Alright, so now he is in front of the logo. I'm running. Let's do some fine tuning right here. This doesn't look too bad. If we really wanted to, we could go around with the eraser and make this perfect, which I might do a little bit. Let me see. Do I have a select? Shit. Just cleaning it up a little bit. Or anything else that looks jagged. Backwards a little messed up, but I think the rest of it's actually good. Let me see what the original photo looks like. Yeah, that looks good. Alright. Let's go ahead and grab the copy we made. Let's go ahead and drag that onto the logo. Do create clipping mask. And that looks pretty fucking cool. One thing I might do, grab the background, the original one we put. Let's make it a little darker. Go to 75. Alright, that looks pretty cool. Pretty simple. I don't like the text though. So let's go ahead. Let's get the Evo out of here. I don't really like using that. And there's also some warp on it, which I also don't like. So let's go ahead and make that just a slight arc. Okay. And go ahead and so with this, what I would normally do is add some drop shadow, some more, so it stands out. Or I also have on my PSD, I have this right here, which if we go to blending options, can dim it, make the logo pop a little bit more. In fact, we're even going to drop that over. We might just do that to make the name pop a little bit more. I also don't like the font, so let's go in. Change up the font to something a little more fitting. I do like that. That looks good. I'm happy with that. Okay, so that's our first one right there. Now let me go ahead and save it, and then we'll get started on the second one. All right. So now I have our second image I chose right here. And for this one, the reason I chose two of them is because in this photo, so if I go to edit, free transform, you'll see the photo as a close-up. So there's not much to work with putting them in front of the logo. So I'm just going to do a good old-fashioned clipping mask. So again, you're going to right-click, create clipping mask. You know, that would work. A lot of people would be happy with that. Just getting Trevor in the picture and onto the logo. There's a few other things I normally do. Oh, shit. Keep fucking up with that. You can make the jersey bigger. Maybe go like that. And that adds some contrast to the logo. Also go to blending options on the background. Turn down the opacity if you want. But I think it just looks better like shit. Like this, in all honesty, it just looks better. So I'd be happy with either of these. A lot of people, when you make them an AVI, they want it like this instead of the other one I made. Another thing sometimes that I'll do is I'll combine them. So if I make two and they're like, oh, I like this one part, I don't like that one, you can see right here I saved that cutout I made from the last one. So let's go free transform. Oh shit, got the wrong layer selected. Go free transform. Can always do something like this. So we'll go ahead. Let's go ahead and bring the text down a little bit. No, where the fuck's the text? Right there. Just move it down a little bit. We will be turning this back on. And what I would do is you grab the background, edit, free transform. You can even get another picture if you want of him and mess with some things. You can get another picture, put it right here. Let's go ahead and move him over a little bit. So the problem with doing it like this, you can't see the logo as much, but you know, sometimes, you know, even though it's my team and everything, I don't really care. I just want the person who has it to be happy. So do something like that. Turn this, put it right there. Do that. Let's change up the font again. Why not? And let's go ahead to this cutout. Go ahead and add some drop shadow. And you guys probably don't have this, but I have it on mine. We got some packs to mess with, see what looks good, see what doesn't. Frankly, I think I'd be fine with that. Maybe we'll put on 5. 5 always kind of makes it look good. That looks okay. If I were to use any, I'd probably use the first one. But everybody's into different things. So I wanted to get a video out. I just really didn't know what to make, so I thought I'd just show you guys me making this. I do plan on sticking with this, making more videos. So if there's anything you guys want to see, please comment down below. Let me know so I can make it, because I need stuff to make. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.